Hello, in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to withdraw funds from PayPal to your Gcash account. This payment was from Involve Asia, an affiliate marketing platform where you can earn sales commission by sharing product links from Shopee, Lazada, etc. Check video description for the sign-up link and start making passive income. This payment took 10 days to process, so now I'll be needing to put it on my Gcash for me to be able to use it for my loading business and other stuff online. So let's start. Open your Gcash account. Click the menu tab and choose My Link Cards. Click PayPal and then input your email. And click Link on the upper right corner. Now let's go back to homepage. Click on Cash In and choose PayPal. Input the amount you want to cash in. You will also notice once PayPal is linked, you can see the available balance below. Once you've input the amount, click on Confirm on the upper right corner. After a few seconds, you will receive it right away. There is no processing fee from PayPal to Gcash. You will receive SMS and PayPal notification when it's done. Let's check my Gcash balance. There you go, it's already added. You'll also receive email confirmation, transaction will also reflect immediately on your PayPal account history. That's it, guys. Please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated.